tape it, and make it. Hello, and welcome to Kintex. Today, we will show you a taping technique of the gluteus maximus. For this, we need a strip of Kintex pre-cuts tape. We tape this strip from the trochanter major over the buttocks to the cruciate ligament area. My colleague will now show you how this taping technique works. First, we divide the pre-cut strip along the perforation. Loosen the base, tape it in the area of the trochanter major, loosen the paper of the lower rein, pull it under the buttocks up to the sacrum. We loosen the paper of the second rein and tape it in the upper course, under light tension. Finally, we rub everything once again. With the original taping technique, we tape the strips directly onto the skin and not, as here for demonstration purposes, onto the underwear. Thank you for using Kintex. Tape it and make it.